Hi friends, due to the advent of science and technology, we have got lot of comforts in our life, no doubt in it. Along with that, we got the blood pressure and stress also. We used to say it is the order of the day, we have to live with that. By telling like that, we used to take pills or tablets for that. Of course, we cannot avoid stress in our life. In day to day activities, the stress will be there, no doubt in it. How to overcome it? I am going to give you an exercise that is for only 1 minute exercise that will help you to get relief from the stress, relieved from the blood pressure. My friends, when mind gets disturbed, the body will also get disturbed. And in Hindu mythology, we used to say there are five bodies, Annamaya Kosha, and so on and so forth. If one is disturbed, automatically the other bodies will get disturbed. I will explain you by a simple demo. See, my friends, there are five papers, one by one. It is like that. Just if I give a pressure, even I am not going to give a lot of pressure, just a simple pressure. If I am giving like this, so you can see there is a mark in the paper, first paper. This is Annamaya Kosha. The same mark, even though I have not touched the second paper, the mark is there. That means your mind is affected. So physical body is affected and the mind is affected. If the mind is affected, your physical body gets affected. If your knowledge or your inner body is affected, psychologically affected, that will affect your physical body. So they are interrelated, interconnected. So when mind is disturbed, automatically it will raise the blood pressure, no doubt in it. How to get relieved from this? Very simple exercise, my friends. Just to close your eyes. For the demo, I am going to give you loudly, tell you loudly. But you need not tell loudly. You have to tell all these things inwardly. Close your eyes. Imagine that somebody is in the upstairs and you want to see them. If you do like that, automatically you will be focused in the middle of the eyebrow, that is called Kudastha Sthala. When your concentration is focused there, at that time just inhale as much as possible. While inhaling the air, just tell inwardly that let the mind be in peaceful state. How many times you want to tell? Just you tell. Let the mind be in the peaceful state. After completely inhaling, just exhale it slowly, steadily. While exhaling, you tell inwardly that let the blood flow throughout my body peacefully, quietly, and calmly. Just tell like this. How many times you want to tell, that's up to you. You can tell. After that, you can understand, you have to see the blood flows from the top of the body or from the head to toes quietly, and your heartbeat automatically beats slowly. That you can understand, that you can feel, my friends. So this is the exercise, very simple exercise. Inhaling, deep inhalation, stating that let the mind be in peaceful state inwardly. While exhaling, exhale slowly, tell inwardly that the blood flow throughout the body quietly and calmly. That's all, exercise is over. My friends, if you are doing like this just for 1 minute, wherever you are, sit comfortably and do this exercise. Definitely you will see that your blood pressure gets reduced. Your mind is in the peaceful state. I got benefit. I would like to ask you, my friends, to give this exercise to all your friends so that they also get benefited. This is a simple exercise, 1 minute exercise. Please help others to get rid of their blood pressure and stress. Thank you.